In this video, I'll show you how to send friend request on Facebook. If you have been wanting to learn how to send friend request on Facebook, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, you need to be logged into your Facebook account, right? So this is a Facebook account, and I just created this account as of recent, so there is no friend, there is no one on this account. So this is still a brand new account. So for me to find friends now and send them friend request on Facebook, I need to click on this group, right? On this group icon, on this group tab. Then I would go on here and search for, I can search for affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing. So I would click on this affiliate marketing. So I would see lots of displayed group on here, right? So I would search for a public group with lots of members, right? So this is this group, 117k members. So I'll join this group. Let me know if it is a public group. Yeah, it's a public group. So I'd visit this group, right? So this is it. These are lots of people. These are people posting on this group. So I'm going to send someone a friend request now. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the person's profile picture. Yeah, this is it. So yeah, this is it. Goja Sophia. So I'm going to send Goja a friend request now. So what I need to do, you need to click on this add friend, right? So I've sent her a friend request. So this is how you can send someone friend request on Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.